don't know now. I don't know now. I haven't seen the waiter yet. My wife said she's seen the waiter when I went.
You don't like the broccoli?
Broccoli, okay. Why are you drinking soda, miss?
I don't know, but you better not touch it.
We got crack tongue. My wife, she definitely tried to go in before the camera even come out.
I'm eating with my husband, so I get the double dip.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica on me.
Shalom, shalom, people. We back with another one. Hey, look, fresh out of church, we hungry. Y'all know how it be when you come out of church. You hungry. So my wife, where we going?
Lorna's Caribbean Grill.
Oh, Jamaican food?
Miami, yeah.
Okay, that's where we're going. And I'm bringing y'all along. I'm gonna let y'all know if the food good, food bad, or whatever. We're gonna let you know. All right, stay tuned.
Yeah, yeah. Just me and your love. Yeah. Ain't nobody else. Just me, yeah. Got wild. Late nights, I was lost in the thoughts. Carrying pain that I never taught. Smiling outside, but broken within. Trying to fight battles I couldn't win.
People, Florida will be Florida. Right now it's pouring down rain. But we're still hungry. Show them the rain. Show them the rain, Miss Jane. Show them the rain. Rain out fall, breeze out blue, chicken body. Yeah, do it. If you don't know that about that, you ain't Jamaican. You don't know that song. Hold on, don't touch that door, woman. Come on now. Mm-hmm. Hey. All right, people, we're going to see what this menu, what they got to offer us. My wife been here before. I haven't been here. So we're going to see what's going on. Starters. Conch salad. You know, what about it?
Food came out a little faster the last time.
Nigga, you just got here. She talking about the food came out a little faster last time, and she just got here.
Nobody ate. Do you see anybody eating?
They probably didn't. Yes. Lady over there eating. All right. Let's see what we have on this. Atlantic snapper, island snapper, cracked conch. I'm probably gonna get cracked conch. They got oxtail, curry chicken, brown stew chicken, stew beef, purr goat, jerk chicken. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, they got salmon, blackened salmon. I might have to get salmon. Grilled salmon, honey glazed. From what I'm seeing as far as the house special, they're more so lean towards the Jamaican side, other than the conch. We do conch, but we're not known for conch. They're more Bahamian. They got burgers. Okay, they got burgers, grilled chicken sandwich, fish sandwich, sliders. The starters, they got, okay, conch salad, reggae wings, whatever that is, which is jerk wings, okay. Bahamian conch balls. Oh, that's what you were talking about as far as the appetizer? Conch balls. Why for that? I don't want no balls in my mouth, you know. Yo.
So you said, what is it called? Wifey that?
Why for that?
So,
It's
wifey is...
No, not wifey, like why? For that.
Why for that?
For that. She be acting like she don't understand the Jamaican
I was
lingo.
going to say, if you guys say wifey, that like wifey is a derogatory
No, why?
statement or word.
Blame it on popcorn. Okay. We don't know what we about to get yet, but we definitely about to get some appetizers. I haven't seen our waiter as yet. Where's our waiter? Oh, somebody came here already? All right now.
Please speak it.
All right now. We're doing a review. All right, from what I see, look like it might be some space outside also, like they have
Hello.
outside tables. I know the video that my wife sent me,
Good. How about you?
they had like live performance or something like that. I don't know where they'll be performing, but yeah, I'm hungry. It's Sunday. I know where this waiter at, but I'm ready right now.
Oh.
Right now. I don't know now. I don't know now. I haven't seen the waiter yet. My wife said she seen the waiter when I went to the bathroom, but I don't know. How long we been sitting here? Come on now, this food better be good. This food better be good. It's not looking good right now. You hungry?
I am very hungry.
You can eat a pig.
Yeah.
That's a shame. We ain't eat no pig, man. We don't even need to eat bacon.
I was here Tuesday, and the service was exceptional. I had a good time. The vibe was great. It was my birthday. They had live music. However, we are here today, and I don't know. Maybe they're busy. Maybe they're a little short-staffed. It's raining outside, but I haven't gotten a waiter yet. Nobody's greeted us yet to ask us for drinks and stuff, but you know, we're not gonna say it, you know, we're not gonna put a negative connotation on it. But yeah, we're sitting here waiting. And we just gonna enjoy the vibe until somebody comes up. Hopefully they'll come in the next couple of minutes. I'm gonna give them about 5 minutes. I'm gonna say 10 minutes. Because they got nice music playing and stuff. It's a vibe. I'm gonna give them about 10 minutes. Give them some time to reset. We've been here about how long?
Too long.
For no greeting? Yeah.
This food better be good, I tell you that much.
I mean, it may not be no root.
You want to start with the lady?
I'll get like a Sprite. What is that refill? No.
And for you?
I just want water.
Alrighty.
Just want water. I'm ready to order appetizer also.
Okay, I'm ready for
You want the balls?
If you just still out, we can do the crack. Give me what you want.
My wife don't even supposed to be drinking soda, but look, she got this. But I like this. This soda bottle right here, that's Sprite. It looks very quenching, don't it? Why are you drinking soda, miss?
I don't know, but you better not touch it.
You ain't gotta worry about that. Ain't gotta worry about that.
That's a lie. He tried to drink my soda. He always try to drink my drink.
Lies.com. Got crack tongue. My wife, she definitely tried to go in before the camera even come out. We're gonna see what's going on. Father God, just want to thank you for presence, for the blessing here to my body, and then I sure. Amen. Crack tongue. My wife be worried about everybody that you see.
That's what y'all. I'm eating with my husband, so I get the double dip. You know how the rule is, you can't double dip. I get the double dip. And right.
All right. Let's weigh in on the crack tongue. How y'all think the crack tongue is? I give it to him. Pretty good, actually. Pretty good. I like the cracked conch.
I can top it off with some Benadryl for dessert.
Crunchy and juicy at the same time. I like it. Conch is good, okay. And it's fresh. We want to see what this main meal tastes like. You got there. Uh-oh. People, look at her. She got oxtail, collard green, rice and peas, and mac. Well, the mac is mine, by the way. My food ain't come yet. But my wife is so, okay, they okay then. Thank you. Appreciate it, boss. I'm gonna bring y'all in, look at that. Salmon, rice and peas, and broccoli.
Meat, but it's okay still. I don't like a lot of meat in my collard greens, but it's pretty good. I can eat around it. The rice is cooked very well. It has that, what is it? What do you call it?
I don't know.
Grainy shelly rice. Nice and shelly, flavorful. The oxtail is nice and tender.
Nice and tender.
Yep, and flavorful.
I heard him.
Good.
All right. We got mac and cheese. Let's see what this mac tastes like. Jamaicans ain't known for mac and cheese. Everybody gets that's sweet, but it looked like the real deal. Yeah, mac decent. The mac is decent actually. Taste the mac. I'm gonna get the mac out of 10, 7.5. Mac is decent. You know I like mac. Mac is good.
What tastes my collard green right now?
No. I don't like collard green, guys. I got the blackened salmon. I got tired of showing y'all snapper. All I eat is sea fish. That's it. I don't eat shrimp, crab, none of that. Salmon's good, well seasoned and juicy. It's very hard to get it. It's not hard, but most people, especially restaurants, tend to cook salmon wrong. It's too dry. This salmon is actually cooked right. It's crisp, a little bit crispy on the outside because it's blackened, well seasoned, and on the inside is juicy. Shout out to them. Okay, I'm okay. Y'all doing all right.
See, my salad.
Let's taste the broccoli.
You don't like the broccoli?
Broccoli, okay. Broccoli is broccoli. It got a little butter to it. I like that. That combination.
They probably don't cook it down with salt.
It might be a slightly salty. No, take it back. Broccoli, all right. Broccoli kind of going. They got like in some butter and garlic. Shout out to them. But so far, everything good. My wife like the oxtail. Y'all can check them out, man. They making up.
The food didn't take long to come out once they service us.
You're right. The food didn't take long to come out. It didn't. Once we got service, so shout out to them. Y'all making up. Oh boy, I was about to eat y'all alive with this review, but y'all doing good. Y'all did good. Shout out to y'all. Uh-oh. That cornbread. You made that cornbread from scratch. She made the cornbread, y'all. Let's see what the cornbread tastes like. Oh, it's soft. It's good, but
It's like a dessert.
I feel like it's something different though. We'll try it again. Cornbread's good. A little bit above average. 7.5. All right, my wife, she wanted me to taste the collard greens. I just tasted it. It's cool. I'm not a big collard green person. It's cool though. You like the collard greens? As long as you like it, that's all that matters. Jamaican.
But I think to pair this off, it would have been better with either steamed cabbage or plantains.
You picked it. What you gotta tell the people?
I told you he was gonna take my Sprite.
There's only a little bit left in there.
And then didn't want to record.
It's a little bit left in there.
Didn't want to record because he didn't want to be put on blast. He can't help it. He loved my lips just that much though. It's flattering.
This is why I don't give her a mic.
But he does a lot of vlogging, so.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate it.
Turn it to go a curry goat with
Curry goat, you getting that for?
He in the business. He in the business.
You gotta ask.
Yeah, that.
Money coming out.
curry goat and rice and peas.
I got my sugar mama pan, y'all. Handle that, sugar mama. She got all the money, y'all. I just be riding along with her, eat free. Who's our waiter, people? What's your name? Liz? Big up Lily.
Thank you.
You like Lily?
Exceptional service.
Thank you. Y'all come back to see us, okay?
All right. There you go. All right. All right, y'all have a good one. You ready? We're gonna go out this door.
You're safe, baby, all right?
Indeed. Same to you.
All right.
I don't know what we done. We had to wait on some food because my wife decided to order my daughter some food at the end. What you got to say about them?
I enjoyed the food. The service was great. You know, she made up for it.
Service was great. She actually did make up for it. Shout out to Lily. Lily, big up yourself. Food was good. Food was pretty good. I give it to them. The food was pretty good. Atmosphere is nice. I love it. They actually gonna get a good score out of me. They're actually gonna get a good score out of me. Hold on, we're gonna finish close this. It's raining. They actually gonna get a pretty good score out of me. Overall, the food was good, especially the rice. Rice was pretty good. Macaroni cheese was pretty good. The salmon was pretty good. Broccoli, it's okay. It's broccoli. Ain't much you can do with broccoli. Overall, y'all, I don't give out these scores. I'm gonna give them an 8.1. Shout out to them. What's the name of this restaurant again?
Lorna's, I think, bar and not bar.
Lorna, big up
Lorna's
yourself.
Grill, Caribbean.
We in Miami Gardens, right by the Dolphin Stadium. Yeah, right across from Walmart. I'll drop the address down here. Y'all come check them out. It's definitely worth it. Food is good, atmosphere is good, customer service was beautiful. But at one point we was hot. Y'all see it? We was like, hold up now. I'm about to fail them. I'm about to give them a 0. Lorna, big up yourself. Enjoyed myself. I definitely come back here. It is somewhere I think you should visit. Oh, there go the name. Lorna's Caribbean Grill. Caribbean American Grill. Lorna, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all share. It's your boy Lando. I am the Mando. I'm out.
Prime time Lando, yeah, we dip on the road. Truck them rolling, blessing overload. From Georgia to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, shalom, and I'm moving control. lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich like your Jamaican gold. Prime time Lando, yeah, the journey unfold. Press record, make the story get told. A lifestyle flex, step out neat. Lando stay crisp, clean drip. Lie on north, God bless me. Steps from the calf to the gym, energy never less. Jet